What's going on, Schmitty Garage? We are working on the solar system still. Finally got back to working on it. Installing the conduit today. Goes to the solar panel disconnect switches that go into the house. And I ran it through here and then up and over. I'm gonna find something fancy to do with that later. Just got to get it all wired in. So then I'm gonna show you the wires up on the roof. A lot of up and down, that's for sure. I have a leap of faith onto the roof. So I've been working on these wires here. Got everything wired up, and then the conduit runs down. I'm gonna put it on the back side of the house so you can't see it. I'm gonna use these 10-in-1 universal conduit bodies, and then roofing screws, and then EMT pipe straps. So I used the same holes I had before, so I didn't put more holes in the roof, and just flipped them to the opposite side. Put it on the back side so people can't see it from the street. Try to make it look as fancy as possible. Used the existing holes and made a couple of my own. There's some squirrel up in the tree going nuts. I'm gonna be cutting off a lot of these branches on this branch leaning over the house. Anyway, so I haven't decided yet how I'm gonna do this. I might try to make it just straight, leave it, I don't know, but this is how it's gonna go. So it goes from the disconnect back here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take those conduit things, and I'm gonna do all the powers in one pipe, and I'm gonna do all the negatives in another. So there'll be 4 powers, 4 negatives in each one of these, heading that way. And then I'm gonna cut it. So for example, here's the power, and then here's the, negative, positive. I'm gonna splice it probably right there. So I'll have one, so this one's the positive. So then I'll put this one right here, and I'll probably put another one right here so that the wires can just continue on, and it'll help it feeding the wire through. So that's what we got going on there. So it's this one, that one, this one, and this one wired in series. That's 4 panels, 390 watts. And then we have that one, those 3 right there. So 1, 2, and 3. They go to this power right here. And then I got a wire going over to this one right there. That makes 4. And then the negative right here. Gonna do the same thing with the conduit right here and here. So one for the positive, 1 for the negative. And then we got these 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over here, which connect right here, positive, negative. Then we got these 5 that connect right here, positive and negative. And they're gonna go up to the conduit. And then I'll probably put conduit down to them to make it look fancy. Lots to do. Just wanted to show the update. Sun's going down. So there's the old conduit to the old setup I had. Gonna reuse it for another purpose. Gonna have to extend this conduit right here. This is gonna go to the garage system. So I'm gonna continue it over there to the garage. I'm gonna run it all the way over here. And then panels will be on both sides of the peak. So there'll be 7 on the left side, 7 on the right side. 100-watt panels. That's where we're at. All right, peace.